Good day, class! How are you feeling today? I hope you're doing great because today we will discuss a new lesson. But before that, I will teach you a song. Are you ready? Are you excited? Alright, here it goes. Whenever something happened, there always is a reason. You might ask why it happened. Do you understand the cause? Cause and effect. 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 The cause makes something happen. It really gets accepted. Just ask yourself what happened. Do you understand the effect? Cause and effect. 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 Okay, sing with me. Whenever something happened, there always is a reason. You might ask why it happened. Do you understand the cause? Cause and effect. 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 The cause makes something happen. It really gets accepted. Just ask yourself what happened. Do you understand the effect? Cause and effect. 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 Alright, do you like the song? Very good. And from listening to it, what have you understand? Okay, I think Neril has some answer. Miss Neril, do you have some answer?
Ma'am, after hearing the song, I now know what is the meaning of cause and effect.
Okay, that's a good insight. The song is really about cause and effect because it is our discussion for today. Cause and effect relationship. Are you ready to discuss this lesson? Okay. But before that, I would like to show you the objectives of our lesson. Please kindly read our objectives.
At the end of the lesson, the student will be able to explain the concept of cause and effect, appreciate the significance of identifying cause and effect in a statement, and display familiarity with the environmental concern and obstacle experienced by the Filipino community.
Before we proceed to our topic, I have here some classroom policy that you need to follow. Number 1 is keep your mic muted if I didn't ask question. Number 2, raise your hand if you want to answer. And number 3, respect your teacher, your classmate, and yourselves. Is that clear? Okay, very good. Now let's proceed to our topic. I provided here a video that will show the cause and effect of a current situation. Please watch and listen carefully.
Water is a basic resource that guarantees the life of all living beings on the planet. However, its scarcity and pollution cause millions of people to have poor access to this much-needed asset. Humans are the main cause of water pollution, which is triggered in many ways: by the dumping of industrial waste, due to temperature rise that causes the alteration of water by reducing the oxygen in its composition, or due to deforestation, which causes sediments and bacteria to appear under the soil and therefore contaminate groundwater. In the same way, the pesticides used in agricultural fields filter through underground channels and reach the consumption networks, and also as a result of accidental spillage of oil. And what are the main consequences of this? Firstly, the disappearance of biodiversity and aquatic ecosystems. Also, humans are harmed by the alteration in the food chain and by contracting illnesses when drinking or using contaminated water. For all this, we must ensure water availability, its sustainable management, and sanitation for all.
From watching the video, what have you observed? Yes, Miss Kisana.
Ma'am, it is about the effect of throwing garbages in water.
Very good. The video is about throwing garbages in bodies of water and the effects of it. And can you determine the cause and effect in the video? Okay, Miss Nokus.
Ma'am, the effect of throwing garbages in water can lead to any health condition or killing the animals living in the water.
Alright. That's a good answer. You deserve a star. Here's a star for you.
Thank you for the star.
Now that you've learned something from the video, I will teach you something. When I say, whenever something happens, you'll say, there always is a reason. Again, whenever something happens, there's always is a reason. Okay, now let's proceed to the discussion of cause and effect. Cause is the reason why something happened. Repeat after me. Cause is the reason why something happened. Very good. It's the event or action that make something else occur. For example, it rained heavily, so the floor is wet. Do you understand? Okay, now let's proceed to the next, which is the effect. An effect is the result or consequence of an action or event. Repeat after me. An effect is the result or consequence of an action or event. Very good. It's happened as a result of something else occurring. For example, the ground became wet because it rained heavily. Am I making it clear? Very good. Now I have here a game to apply your knowledge. For the first picture, what do you observe? Yes, Miss Jana.
Ma'am, it is deforestation.
Very good. It is deforestation. Can you determine what is the cause or the effect of the deforestation?
It is an effect.
Okay, very good. Actually, deforestation can be an effect or a cause. It is an effect if it affects the animal living in the forest, while it is a cause if it's a human action. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. You deserve a star.
Thank you for the star.
Now let's proceed to the second picture. What can you observe in our second picture? Yes, Miss Roselle?
Ma'am, it is a wildfire.
Very good. It is a wildfire. Is it a cause or an effect?
It is an effect, ma'am.
Very good. It is an effect because wildfire is caused by the extreme heat of the sun. Very good. You deserve a rose.
Thank you for the rose.
And for our last picture, Miss Annette, do you have an answer?
It's flood.
Very good. It is a flood. Do you think it is a cause or a effect?
An effect, ma'am.
Very good. It is a effect because flood are caused by the extreme rain or heavy rain or typhoon. Do you get it? Very good. Now that you've grasped our lesson for today, let's summarize it all. The cause and effect are closely connected because one event, the cause, leads to another event or outcome, the effect. In other words, a cause is what makes something happen, and the effect is what happens as a result. Do you understand, guys? Am I making it clear? Very good. You all deserve a star. Okay, now that you've understand our discussion for today, I would like you to read the direction for our task 1. Please kindly read the direction.
Direction. Determine whether the given scenarios represent causes or effects of environmental conflict based on accompanying description or caption.
Here's the task 1, cause or effect. Number 1 is overfishing in marine ecosystem. Number 2 is accelerated global warming and climate change. Number 3 is flooding in low-lying areas. Number 4 is excessive use of pesticide in agriculture. And number 5 is making the earth warmer and causing climate change. Please answer it in your 1/2 sheet of pad paper. Are you done? Very good. You can pass your paper to your class president so I will collect it later. Okay? Very good. Now let's proceed to task number 2. Kindly read the direction.
Direction. Identify and propose solution to address the environmental consequences resulting from human action, aiming to mitigate the negative effects on ecosystem and biodiversity.
For our task 2, the number 1 is Willie notices that her local river, the Silver Creek, is filled with plastic waste, endangering fish like the local trout she loves to catch. The number 2 is Bogart observed that many trees in her neighborhood park are being cut down to make space for new housing developments, causing birds and squirrels to lose their homes. Please answer it in your 1/2 sheet of paper and pass it to your class president, okay? Alright, are you done? Okay, very good. Please pass it to your class president so I can collect it later. Now, for our final task, this is a pair activity. Find your pair and collaborate with them. Okay, brainstorm solution for avoiding environmental problems in the Philippines and discuss how you can help implement these solutions together. You can choose whoever you want to be together. And are you done? Very good. You can also pass it to Miss President. And for our evaluation, you can take a picture of this. This is a very short evaluation. You can send your answer to our GC so that I can read it later after our class. Okay, understood? Very good. And of course, we have an assignment. For our assignment, kindly read the direction.
Direction. Research about current environmental issues and determine the cause and effect of it. It can be local or foreign environmental issues.
Now that we've reached the end of our lesson, I would like to leave something to you that you can carry throughout your lives. Whenever something happens, there always is a reason. Thank you so much for listening. Have a good day, everyone. Goodbye!